coming through. Diamond, Jim, and Songbird too. I'll sing some songs to make you smile, that helps to pass away the miles. Some folks like it, ask for more. Some folks claim I am a bore. Some guys tell me that I squeal. Others say I've got appeal. Bigger trailers too. The things they're often asked to do are miracles that no one sees. They think we live a life of ease. Dirty washrooms, deep fried food. The DOT can be so rude. That's why I'm out here singing songs to pass the time and help what's wrong. Keep the shiny side up and the dirty side down. But if you don't, I'll catch you in the big skip lane in the sky. If your name is written in the book,